part 2. Now, okay, so we're here in part 2. Mouse wiggle. There we go. Okay, so I just thought, why not just go through the whole thing and we'll make our scene today. I can show you the little tricks that I like to do too. So we have Mr. Arslanian. Now, he's saying something. So let's say we're going to have to bring in our textables. Ah, look at that. Make sure you eat your textables. No? No? I thought it was funny. Alright, so we got to drag one in. Boop. And now he has a voice box. Now, this always gets people, but you'll say, I don't see the type in me bar. Well, it's because in this one, you just start typing to get your type in. So, Mr. Arslanian's going to say, oh, class, okay, class, does anyone remember that time we made a storyboard that? Ah, perfect. Wait. No, it's not perfect. I need to make this box bigger. Well, now we got these directional things right here, here. We can make it bigger. But, kind of moves this thing in the wrong spot, though. So how about we make it wider? And then skinnier here. We made a storyboard that cartoon. Now, that's a question, so I'm going to put a question mark. There we go. I know this class needs something. How about a chair? I'm going to make this look classroom. Chair. So. Oh. So. Looks like a classroom chair. Yeah, look at that. That's fancy. Look at that thing. I'll just flip it this way. And we have our classroom chair. Maybe pencils? Alright, oh, yeah, actually. You're just gonna put these, and we'll make it small. No! Wrong one. Okay, let's see. Make this small. Ooh. Just put these on the desk. Yeah, that looks... Alright. Kind of looks like a classroom. What about computer? This is the computer lab, right? Oh, well, put this computer. Oh, wait a second. Should not. It's on the desk. Why is it in front of me? Well, because these are layers, we can move this to. I'm going to send this backwards until. Or I can just do this. Move Mr. Arslanian to the front. And voila, he's in the front. I don't really showcase the fact that there's a laptop there. All right, so, yeah, back here again. I see. Hey, he's not really posing. Usually, I'm gonna put this hand here, and then we're gonna be kind of pointing with this hand. Because I like to talk with my hands. It's something I do. Alright, update pose. Okay, I like it. Now, something else. I like this feature too. We can copy the cells we have. That way it does less work. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to have my first shot, I'm talking, then the class says something, and I react. So this one I am going to use again over here. So let's do this. We're going to copy cells by clicking here. Boop. We're going to click on the cell we want to copy. Boop. And then click where you want it to go. Replace. And then if I made a mistake, and I clicked on the wrong one first because we click happy, we can click undo. When I make a mistake, do you know what I do? Click that button, undo. But I didn't, because I did it right this time, so I'm going to click done. Boop. Okay, so now we need to go back to scenes, and we're going to find the classroom scene. I like this one Because there's less... Oh, wait, there is a computer lab. Look at that. Even better. Alright, so now we need our characters. I need kids. Boop. Get this guy and this person. Okay, there we go. I don't know. There we go. The rest of hers looks good. I think that's good. Yeah. I'm gonna add the pose because she's sitting down. Not now, but she will be. Sit. Kneeling? No. Stepping? Oh. Sitting. Really great for sitting. No, really great for sitting. That's funny. Now, she's going to be raising her hand. Wait. Make it her hand raising. How about that? She's kind of thinks she's being silly, like you guys do sometimes. Oh, I didn't do that one thing. To make her sit in the chair, we gotta go side view. And then it's the wrong way, so we're gonna flip her. Boop. So she's sitting in the chair. Perfect. Now I gotta do the same for this dude. Go boop, 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 boop. Again, we can see his eye color. Okay, good. He's got a bow tie on too. That's fancy. All right, so make him sitting again. A little insightful. There we go. And then we go side view. We go there, and we're gonna flip him and make him a little bit bigger. All right, there we go. So, I don't know. She's saying something. So where's she gonna say it? Let's see. No. How about this one? Bring this out. She's gonna say. Does anyone remember? No. However, I do recall you showing us how to make one when you made that video. No, however, I do recall. However, no. I do recall you showing us how to make one when you made that video on Google Classroom. This video. And then we'll just have his reaction be astounded. So let's change his reaction. And not bad. Okay. Let's see if there's something else. Yeah, there's a lot of different shapes and things we can add in there. A lot of things people like to do sometimes is you might make things too busy. So just kind of watch out. And then think about your rules of thirds for placement. It's kind of an artistic style. You don't place something directly in the center. You want to place it off to the side, maybe in this third. Yeah, I don't know where. I'll see how this. I'm gonna keep the action like in this third or this third. It's kind of an artistic style thing. Bar, we got our guys. And he's just confused afterwards because that was the joke. Alright, so I've got it, and I like it. Ooh, I can put it. I'm gonna save it. So, if you want, you can talk to your parents about opening an account with Storyboardthat. It's free for the basic features. That's fine. Or what I do is something else, and we're gonna go find our snipping tool. When we come back, part 3, we'll talk about how to get this awesome document, sharing with the class. All right, so be right back. It's like the light is shining on my baldness. That's strange.